it's Bonnie. I am back with the October Glossybox. I had quit Glossybox for a while, and now I'm back. I actually really like the boxes. I do the 3 months for $58, and it's funny because I haven't even opened this one, you guys. Just to let you know, I have no idea what's in this one. I didn't sneak peek. My mom makes like paper flowers, and she uses these boxes to store them in. So that was pretty cool. Oh, this smells like pretty good. So I'm just going to dig into here. Check it out. A whole bunch of stuff in there. I always get confused, you guys, when I read these little cheat sheets because they don't always put the product next to everything. And when I'm like, I haven't previewed it, I'm like, wait a minute. So first thing I'm seeing is from Skin and Company, which I do like this brand a lot. This is a face gommage. What is a face gommage? I am not sure. It's a Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. That actually sounds pretty good. I swear, I need a little exfoliation lately. I really do. Sometimes I feel like in the fall my face gets kind of... Ooh, that smells really good, you guys. This is like, it is. It's kind of gritty. I love a good face exfoliator. I tend to have more oily skin than dry skin, and I need to, like, I use an exfoliator a lot. So that is awesome. That it doesn't say the oh yeah, it does say 20. What is that? A 28. Full size is $28. Now the question is this full size? I'm not sure. Next up is from Illuma Mask. Illuma Mask. This is a mini Hydra Veil. Value is, I think it's $35 value on that one, and it comes in this cute little black tub here. Let's see, pull the. Oh, this is like really. Look at this. It's like a clear goo. It doesn't have a scent. Basically, it's say hello to smoother skin. So my theory would be you'd probably exfoliate, and then you'd put this little gel on. That makes sense. We also got from... This is where I get confused on the... Where the heck is this? This is for... Oh, here it is. See, this is why, you guys, when I just read these... Okay, so here's this product, but the description is way over here. I always do that. I'm like... So this is actually affirming radiant mud mask. I love a good mud mask. $39 value on this. Oh my gosh, I need a good mud mask. I really do. I'm definitely, let me see what this one looks like. Ooh. Okay, this is just your standard awesome. Check it out. I love a good clay mask. Anything with mud in it, I absolutely love. Dual action, exfoliating, nourishing mud mask. Okay, I'm all about that. That's awesome. I don't have a Kleenex over here, do I? That's okay. Next up, this is a pretty cool duo here. This is from John Masters Organics. Oops. Sorry about that, you guys. Slippery fingers. Let's see if I can do that again. There we go. This is the geranium and grapefruit body milk and... Oh, I thought this was shampoo. This is the body milk and body wash. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Oh, okay. These are full size for both of them would be $48. This doesn't have a really strong scent. I don't know what geranium and grapefruit smells like. Ooh, this smells really good, you guys. This smells really, you know how that grapefruit is like really, really citrusy? This one smells really good, the body wash. So I'll throw those in the shower. Those are awesome. And then we did get a makeup product from Bella Pierre. We got the Pro Concealer Palette. It says full size. I'm assuming this is full size. I can't imagine they would make a mini palette here. But this is actually kind of cool. I like these. Let me just cover up the mirror so I don't blind you guys. Check it out. Look at that. You get the green, the kind of... this is actually really nice. Okay. Color contouring. I really like these. I think the green gets rid of the redness. So this is actually a really like awesome set. And I do like the Bella Pierre line. So you just are going to use these in accordance with the problems that you have on your face. So I really like this one. Oh my gosh. This light one is like perfect for like under eye. When you're over 40, you really value under eye cream like the most. That's like the number one makeup. Like, you know, if you're gonna leave the house, you want to make sure your dark circles are covered. So anyway, we got that. So I actually like this month. This is a really good month for Glossybox for me. I will use everything in the box this month, which is pretty awesome. Check it out. I did get my tracking code for Ipsy. Ipsy is coming, that ultimate $50. Now, it's funny because I've heard a lot of mixed messages about it. A lot of people said it's terrible. A few people said it's just okay. I don't know. I kind of saw the stuff I'm getting, but I oftentimes, like, when you see it on the screen and then you get it in your hand, you kind of get a different impression of it. So I'm really curious. Like I said, I think that's coming on Tuesday. We have no mail Monday because of Columbus Day. So as soon as I get my hands on that, I'll be reviewing it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it for November. We'll have to see. I don't know. The verdict's still out on that one. I need some Bath and Body Works funds. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome Saturday. I will be back tomorrow with another review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.